like, oh wow, a cool new Hoover hive. We want to live here. There goes a beetle. Are they stuck together? Can you get it to them? I was afraid of that. Super frames. Put them in a deep box. I'm going to put this over one and give them one with this here. So they'll make a nice straight frame attached to the bottom. Oh, I know. The stand is perfect. Wish all of ours were this high. Wow, look at all that brood. Ton of bees. Drones. Everything. I'll have to take one more of those. What a tiny nucleus. Yeah. So, we're so glad to have this. They're already all over this other comb. I think there's a queen outside there because they're all running over to the side. They probably had a new queen being mated and it was just waiting on the outside there. I think so. More brood. Yeah. Brood city. Oh, yeah. They got everything they need. And they're making drones. I'll take out maybe one of these so when you put the next one in, it'll go in easy. It's probably super fat, isn't it? It's okay. Oh, look at all the bees here. Hanging on like crazy. Oh, do we need rubber bands?